Hi friends, let me show you this new flatware set, a silverware set from KINGSTONE that I received for reviewing purposes. Let me tell you that this is a set for a party of four, for 4 persons, okay? You get 5 different utensils, one for each person. You get a teaspoon, a soup spoon, a small fork like dessert fork, a large fork for the main courses, and a knife, okay? All of them come, are grabbed individually, so you receive them scratch-free, like mirror finish. You can see how nice they are. These ones are silver color, and there are matte silver, gold, and black, depending on, well, the like of your family and your taste for your kitchen decoration, okay? These utensils are dishwasher safe. They are 18/10 stainless steel flatware, so they are really robust. They feel great, and they are a nice mirror finish. Okay, so if you need a new set of silverware for your kitchen, for your home, for your office, maybe if you have a food business, this is a great option for you. Thank you.